So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get so many appointments you don't have time to even shit anymore. Like I had gotten up to that point. I was like, wow, this is crazy. I can't even like go to the bathroom anymore. It's back to back to back to back calls, which is its own problem that, you then have to fix. But you guys need to get to that problem first. I know a lot of you guys are not. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how you can do that. And I'll be showing you a live example right here of one of my newest clients that came into my little coaching program, and her name's Molly, by the way. This was her before, right? She was with this other agency, which I'm not going to name out of privacy, but they did not do a good job. They got her 30 appointments over the span of 4 months. That was 0.25 appointments every single day, and she was paying like over £2,000 of ad spend, and they were asking her to pay even more than that. They're like, oh, we need more, to fix it, we need more. And luckily she found me, and I was like, no, I just said that's not what we should be doing. And we did a couple fixes immediately in a call, just a couple. And we created new ads within a day. We launched them within a day. And this is what happens. In the first 12 hours after launch, she's in the UK, so she fell asleep and woke up, and this is what she saw. She got 9 meetings. And as you can see there right there, I crossed out some stuff so you don't like try to find them. I don't know, some of you guys are weird like that, but as you can see, these are her ads. She was getting 3.37 cost per lead and all the way down to 1.42. Now, like we just hopped off a call, she's hovering around the 1.3 to 1.4. It's been further optimized, and yeah, it's even gone down to like 1.17. She's been getting tons and tons and tons of leads every day. So many appointments. Like, it's now becoming a problem. We're talking about getting setters in. We're talking about how can we alleviate this? How, like, do we need more closers, or what do we need to do? Do we need to switch something, change something? I don't know. But that's a good problem to have. That's something that immediately got fixed instead of having to wait 4 months. Lots of you guys are in this right here, and you don't see what you should be getting. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what you need to be getting and how. So going back to Molly and her example here, this was her old niche and her offer that the other agency was telling her to do, right? The niche was, we're going to do dentists, we're going to do med spas, we're going to do salon clinics, and so much more. We're going to do that, and this is going to be the offer. We're going to be doing a 30, X guaranteed in X months, and it's going to be a 2K retainer, maybe like a larger setup fee, and like 3 to 6 month contracts. I believe that's kind of what it is. Now, this was the new niche in the offer that I had her do. Now, it's not like a new niche. We just scaled it down, right? Instead of targeting like 8 different niches at once, we just did one. We did one that's going to be super optimal for her and have high leverage to get a lot of revenue from that. So we chose salon clinics. Then from there, we switched over to a new offer where it's pay per client and pay per appointment. The reason behind that is there are a lot of trust issues in the agency space right now. So this will overcome that. But you guys are probably asking, well, what happens to my retainers and my money? Well, you still get that money. You actually get more. And let me explain. Now we're going to be doing like a 3K setup fee. So you still immediately get paid in that sales call. And you're going to be doing a performance where like she has a good fulfillment. So what's actually going to be happening is these people are going to be getting a lot of appointments and clients, and she's going to be getting paid per each one of those. And she's going to be making more than 2 and 3K in retainer. And it's just from the performance compared to a retainer. And now her clients are going to be begging her to, go back to retainer model. But we capitalized on their fear of these other agencies in the space putting out these same brainless offers with bad fulfillment and making everyone else look bad. Now they're gravitating to her offer, and they're super easy to bring in, and she's making more money out of that, right? That's kind of the whole goal of what I want you guys to have. Now, this is me on a call. We literally just hopped on, like, this is the call I told you. Like, we just fixed everything. The agency was having her do UGC content. So they hired like some person to read some script or whatever. It works. Don't get me wrong, that we do video ads all the time, but just like the scripting and the idea of everything was poor. So it did not perform well. Like, everything didn't perform well. The targeting, the copy, like everything. But we're just going to be talking about the creative right now. These are her new ads. They look terrible, right? But these are the same exact ads I showed you earlier. Now, why do they work so well? Well, we have the call out, so we're getting exactly who we want. It's not 50 different niches, so Meta's optimizing for that person. We have a killer offer, and we have a risk reversal. And now there's no friction to mess up on. There's no background people can roast you about. You're just really optimizing for a frictionless experience and putting this in front of the right people. And it works. If this didn't work, I wouldn't have this happen. But for some reason, ads that look bad perform really, really good. And you could quite literally copy that. I guarantee you it's going to work in your industry too. You want to keep it super frictionless. Now, here's an example of an old funnel. I don't actually have like the funnel that was old because we changed everything, but this is an example, right? So the lead sees her ad, they click on it, and now they're brought to a landing page where they can book a call. That's it. What happened here was a lot of traffic was being lost. And even if they had their targeting right and everything, and they're getting appointments for her, which they really weren't, it still would have been unoptimal. So this is the funnel that she's now currently doing. So they see the same ad, but once they click on it, it's not a landing page yet. It's going to be a meta instant form where they go in here, they get qualified. So we make sure we're getting only qualified leads in. We get their information, and then from there, they can go to the booking page where they then book a call with you. Now, the moment, like backtrack a little bit, the moment they put in this information, that is instantly getting sent over to her setter. Now, that commission-based setter is calling it within 5 minutes. I just chose this random emoji because I thought he looked cool, the little Queen's guard. But calling up within 5 minutes, speed to lead, and really getting that person booked. Now, if it's not that, we also have email sequences getting them booked. Testimonials, newsletters, whatever it may be, they can also be booking through that. And then we have SMS sequences to get in contact with them. They have an AI setter like closebot.ai. You can use that to start closing people, or not closing, start appointment setting people in this process. Now, ultimately, they're all going to be coming down here to getting booked. Either the setter will manually do it, or they'll go onto this page and get booked for a call. And it's a super easy process. I believe she's got like a 35% direct booking rate, and we still have a lot of improvements to make so that we can get that even higher. But yeah, that's kind of what the new funnel looks like. Everything here, it seems super simple, and it is simple, but everything is super intentional with the way we do it. We could have chose a random niche, or we could have chose like a random offer and it wouldn't perform well. We have intents behind every single thing here, right? If this is pink, if that's not pink, we made a lot of variations, and there's a lot of things behind it. But that's exactly how Molly now has a problem of having too many appointments. And that's not even mentioning some of these other guys I should probably make videos on that had like 25 appointments every single day. They really cannot do anything besides just get on sales call the whole day. Like, you probably wish for that, but you really don't. It is a bad time. You get so tired at the end. It is a terrible day to end the day, a terrible way to end the day. But I know that's a problem you guys are craving. So this is how you get it. Now, once you're ready for it, we can talk about getting closers and hiring funnels. But besides that, this video, I just wanted to show you guys how to get more appointments in the door. Now, if you guys enjoyed the video and you don't want me to gatekeep any more of this stuff or how I help out my clients, go down, like, comment, and subscribe. It's going to be showing me that you guys actually do enjoy this. I'll keep doing it for you. If you don't, even comment that. Let me know if you don't like it. I'll fix it. I'll stop, like, whatever it is. If you think this is too valuable and you want me to stop putting this out for free, be my guest. Let me know. But besides that, I'll let you guys go. I'll let you cook.